Afternoon, everybody. It's Earl. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Uh, Today I'm going to try and push myself. My prosthetician said not to do this for another 3 weeks, but I feel like I'm up to it. What I'm going to attempt to do is walk down my ramps and back up. These are the ramps. Anyways, here we go. This is the ramp and stuff. What I'm going to attempt to do is walk from here down to the second landing, turn around, and come back up. Again, my prosthetician said minimum 3 weeks before I do that. I do have cushioning in my left prosthetic down here, and also down here on my right prosthetic. Mainly because I think it's the tibia bone, the big one that is up front in your leg. Both of mine stick up like a camel's hump, and it gets kind of painful to use the prosthetic. So I've got some 1/4-inch closed cell foam rubber, cut it into pieces approximately 10 inches long, and I go on either side of the bone. Never ever put it across the bone for cushioning. Put it on either side so your bone doesn't hit your prosthetic cup. And once I finish this, I'll let you know. I'll pick back up and let you know how it went. Wish me luck. Okay, I've made it down here to the second landing, using my rollator, of course. Wheelchair, can't really walk with it. One thing I did notice, I kind of overdid it yesterday a little bit, and my right hip hurt, almost like when you play soccer and get your legs swept out from under you. It wasn't a sprain, it was more like a strain. And as the old adage goes, no pain, no gain. Well, that's the truth. Just like when you exercise. First couple of times, your muscles are going to hurt. Anyways, I will finish this when I get back up to the top. Okay. I finally made it back up here to the top, and even though I've been working out my upper body and my core, this took a lot out of me. Going down, gravity definitely helped. I was able to go down with ease. Coming back up, I could only take 1/2 to 3/4 steps as far as stride goes, and I locked or squeezed the brakes on the rollator so my feet could catch up. And it took me about 5 minutes to get back up that short distance. This distance right here. It's only about 24 to 26 feet long, but it took me that long to get back. Right now, my forearms and biceps are aching. I'm no weakling by any means, at least from the stomach up. So, lesson learned. I will keep practicing with this, just because since I've started, I don't want to atrophy what I've done today. Probably once a day I'll be doing this, maybe twice if the weather isn't too bad. Today, it's here where I'm at, it's an ambient 85 degrees Fahrenheit with a feel, on the weather app it calls it real feel, of 102 degrees Fahrenheit. That's mainly because of all the humidity we have here. Once myself and my wife do get our disability, we're probably going to be moving to Slab City. lot drier air, and moreover, no cops whatsoever. No ambulance service, no fire service. Everybody helps everybody else out. That's the type of community I like. Personally, I could care less if there's police or not, but I like a tight-knit community, like where I'm at now. It's a mobile home park with 196 units, and we're all very, very tight-knit. We look out for each other, and if like a suspicious car comes in, we get the description and the license plate to hand over to the police if needed. When I first moved here, this was like drug central. Now there might be one, maybe two dealers that are keeping it on the down low, but they still do let their dogs run, if you catch my meaning. Anyways, thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me as I'm just starting out. I will never take sponsors. I might feature products from time to time, but it will be products I have bought with my own money. Thank you, and always remember, be kind to each other, because we're all we've got to depend on.